If you're excited to start a garden, but the weather, bugs, or seasons keep messing with your plans, it can be so discouraging. That's where a greenhouse changes everything. It gives your plants a controlled space to grow, whether you have a balcony or a big backyard. In this video, I'm going through 8 greenhouse kits that make sense for every garden size, from beginners to people with plenty of outdoor space. By the end of this video, you'll get to know what they're like, how they fit different gardens, and what kinds of plants they're good for. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these greenhouse kits aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Vevor Walk-In Tunnel Greenhouse. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're just getting into gardening or you don't want to spend a lot, this one makes a lot of sense. It's a full walk-in tunnel, so you're not crouching or squeezing around plants. You can step inside, move around, and work comfortably. Now, the frame of this greenhouse is made from galvanized steel pipes, and they're thicker than what you usually see at this price. That gives it a more stable feel, especially when the wind picks up. It also comes with extra support bars, ground stakes, and tie-downs, which all work together to keep things from shifting around. The white PE cover is another strong point. It's thick, waterproof, and helps hold in warmth. The seams are double-stitched, so they're less likely to tear. The edges are long too, so you can weigh them down or bury them in soil for better heat and moisture control. Inside, there's plenty of space for vegetables, flowers, or even shelves if you want to stack plants. And the ventilation is handled by a large roll-up zipper door and 8 windows with mesh. You get airflow without letting bugs sneak in. Setup isn't instant, but it's manageable. One person can do it, though having help makes it faster. So if you want a walk-in greenhouse that gives you solid space and protection without spending a lot, the Vevor Walk-In Tunnel Greenhouse is a smart and budget-friendly pick. Number 7 is the July Song Outdoor Greenhouse Kit. This is the best starter greenhouse kit on our list. Now, the frame of this greenhouse is made from rust-resistant aluminum. It's thicker than most starter kits. That extra width helps it feel more stable, especially in rough weather. It's rated to handle snow loads up to 20 pounds per square foot and winds up to about 56 miles per hour when installed right. Plus, the panels are 4mm twin-wall polycarbonate, so they're tough. They also block harmful UV rays and still let in about 70% of sunlight. What really helps beginners is the airflow control. The roof vent has 5 adjustable positions, so you can slowly learn how to manage heat without guessing. And the swing door is lockable, low to the ground, and easy to open, even if you're rolling a small cart inside. There are also built-in gutters, which let you collect rainwater for watering plants. So if you want a starter greenhouse that feels sturdy, forgiving, and easy to grow into, the July Song Outdoor Greenhouse Kit is a great place to begin. Number 6 is the Ideal House Greenhouse for Outdoors. This is the best for everyday outdoor growing on our list. It's a 6 by 7 foot walk-in design, so it fits well in most backyards without taking over the whole space. The frame mixes aluminum and steel, which helps it stay steady when the weather turns rough. On top of that, the 4mm double-layer polycarbonate panels block about 99% of harmful UV rays while letting in plenty of light. That means your plants stay protected but don't feel boxed in, and the airflow is easy to manage here. The adjustable roof vent opens at different angles, so you can let heat out on warm days or keep things sealed when it's cold. The sloped roof helps rain and snow slide off instead of piling up, which is great if you're growing year-round. Putting it together is also less of a headache than most kits. The slide-in panel system is quicker than older designs and feels more secure once everything is locked in. And this is what Wayne has to say about it. My wife is extremely happy with her new greenhouse. For what it costs, I don't think you can beat it. I highly recommend this if you are looking for an inexpensive, stable greenhouse. So if you want a greenhouse that works day in and day out, the Ideal House Greenhouse for Outdoors is a solid choice for everyday growing. Number 5 is the Planet Greenhouse MONT-16-BK. This is the easiest setup greenhouse on our list. It's a large 8 by 16 foot walk-in greenhouse, so you're gonna have plenty of space. It has wide double doors that make moving plants, soil, or tools in and out feel simple, not awkward. The frame is made from heavy-duty aluminum and finished in black, which helps with strength and heat control. The walls and roof use thick 8mm twin-wall polycarbonate panels. These panels block harsh UV rays but still let in steady light, so plants stay protected and growing evenly. What makes setup easier is the smart design. The flush base helps everything line up clean, and the twist and lock bolt system cuts down on fiddling with tons of hardware. And as for the ventilation, it has roof vents, including automatic openers that adjust when temperatures rise. There's also a built-in rain gutter system, so you can collect water instead of wasting it. Plus, it's built to handle tough weather too, with strong wind resistance and solid snow load support. So if you want a large greenhouse that's sturdy and expandable, the Planet Greenhouse MONT-16-BK is the easiest setup you can grow into with confidence. And if you want to know the latest prices for the greenhouse kits discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Exaco Royal Victorian 634 kit. This greenhouse has the most classic design on our list. This one feels like something straight out of an old English garden. This greenhouse is created by Janssens of Belgium, and you can tell the focus here is on quality and looks. It has an aluminum frame that is thicker and stronger than most greenhouse kits, so it feels solid and long-lasting. The panels are 4mm of tempered glass, which means you're gonna have clear views and plenty of natural light without worrying too much about breakage. The glass is sealed in with heavy rubber seals, so the insulation is better than what you usually see. That helps keep temperatures more stable inside. Now, it comes with a sliding door, 4 roof windows, and a built-in misting system. The roof vents help release heat, while the misting system helps control temperature on hot days. Together, they make it easier to keep plants happy without constant adjusting. There's also a 6-inch frame extension included, which gives you more headroom and airflow. Size-wise, this is a big greenhouse. The overall footprint is about 32 by 64 feet, so it's meant for serious gardeners who want space to work, move, and grow year-round. So if you want a greenhouse that blends classic style with heavy-duty build quality, the Royal Victorian 634 is a perfect fit. Number 3 is the Vacus Outdoor Walk-In Wood Greenhouse. This greenhouse is best for the large garden space on our list. This one is made for people who want room to move around. It's a 6x8 walk-in setup, and once you're inside, it feels open enough to work, water, and organize plants without bumping into everything. The frame is natural cedar wood, so it looks warm and solid, not like cheap metal. It's also reinforced with extra bracing, which helps it hold up better in rough weather. The walls are made from multi-layer polycarbonate panels. These let light spread evenly while blocking harsh UV rays. That means plants get light without getting stressed. The panels also help keep heat in, which is great for early mornings and cooler months. On top, you're going to have adjustable roof vents that open up to about 45 degrees. These help hot air escape and keep airflow steady. It's a simple way to control temperature without overthinking it. The door is lockable, which is nice if you keep tools or plants you don't want messed with. There's also a sturdy base that keeps everything stable, even in wind or rain. So if you need a greenhouse that fits a bigger garden and gives you real working space, the Vacus Outdoor Wood Greenhouse is a solid choice. Number 2 is the Netage Outdoor Greenhouse. This greenhouse is the best mid-size outdoor greenhouse on our list. This one hits a really nice middle ground. It's a 4x6 walk-in greenhouse, so it gives you more space than a mini setup but doesn't take over your whole yard. I like that balance, especially if you want room to grow without going huge. It also has an aluminum frame, which feels solid for its size. The panels are thick polycarbonate, about 720 grams, which helps plants hold up better through wind, rain, and colder weather. These panels also spread light evenly while blocking harsh UV rays, so plants get sunlight without getting cooked. Now, setup-wise, it's designed to be quicker than most. The panels slide into place, and the whole structure is built to be more stable once everything is locked in. It's still a project, but not an all-weekend headache. And ventilation is simple, but effective. You're gonna have adjustable roof vents to let hot air out, plus airflow windows to keep things from feeling stuffy inside. The door is lockable too, which is a small thing, but nice if the greenhouse sits out back or near kids and pets. Inside, the space works well for seed trays, shelves, or a small heater in cooler months. It's tall enough to stand comfortably and move around without crouching. So if you want a well-sized greenhouse that's easy to manage, strong for the price, and doesn't feel cramped, the Nitaji Outdoor Greenhouse is a great mid-size pick. Number 1 is the Exaco Large Royal Victorian Greenhouse. This is the best overall greenhouse on our list. The first thing that stands out is the size. It's almost 20 feet long, over 12 feet wide, and more than 9 feet tall. You're not squeezing around plants. You can walk, work, and enjoy being inside without feeling boxed in. The build quality is a big reason this sits at the best overall rank. It has a strong aluminum frame that's made to last for years, not just a few seasons. The overall structure is solid and dependable, especially compared to lighter greenhouse kits. On top of that, the Victorian-style design gives it a classic look that blends into a garden instead of sticking out like a plastic shed. Ventilation is another strong point. You're going to have roof windows and side vents, which help hot air escape and keep fresh air moving through. That matters more than people think, especially when you're growing plants that don't like trapped heat. Better airflow usually means healthier plants and fewer problems. And inside, there's enough space to grow a wide mix of plants, from seedlings to taller crops, all at the same time. It's clearly built for long-term use, not quick setups. So if you want a greenhouse that delivers space, strength, airflow, and a timeless look all in one, the Exaco Large Royal Victorian Greenhouse is the best overall choice you can make. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect greenhouse kit. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each greenhouse kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.